Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the loss prevention part 1 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To get this mission cleared, you need to arrest 5 criminals at the Pear Shop and confiscate 5 Pear items from them. Now, you can do this with regular players on the server, but I highly recommend getting a friend to help you out. It makes the whole process so much faster. First, ask your friend to head over to the Pear Shop near the bank area and rob it by blowing up the door with C4. Once they grab the loot, go ahead and knock them down. Then arrest them. Right after arresting them, confiscate the Pear item. Doing this gives you 1 arrest and 1 confiscation count right off the bat. Now, simply repeat this step 5 times. Have your friend pick up that stolen loot right at the Pear Shop and open fire at you, instantly get a wanted level again. Then knock them down, arrest them and confiscate the item each time. Once both trackers hit 5, head straight inside the police station, talk to the NPC Bert, turn in the mission and grab your rewards. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.